Hi guys, I am back with more squishies. I have the Angel Kitty and Panda Cloud ones and the Galaxy and Strawberry Mermaid Yummiibear squishies. I want to thank the company for sending these to me to open with you guys today. I will be linking their website, their shop, in the description box down below. So if you need squishies, go check them out. There are a ton over there. I just want to take a minute and say how much I love the artwork of these guys. Just look, it's so cute. The little hermit crab, or the little crab and the little jellyfish, so adorable. Let's start with the kitty, or the Angel Kitty and Panda Clouds first. So this is the Panda Cloud, obviously, and we have the Angel Kitty sitting under there. But let's turn it around. I can't wait to open up the Angel Kitty. She's so cute, but the Panda Cloud's cool too. And this is a collaboration, which is really sweet. Let's go ahead and get it open. Enough waiting. See what we have. Okay, we got a charm inside. We got a charm. So here we have Panda Cloud. And of course, it's a panda with a cloud body. I mean, makes sense. Look at the blushy cheeks. Let me smell. Ooh, ooh. I don't know what that scent is. I feel like every time I do a squishy video, I'm like, I don't know what scent that is, but it smells good. It's true, it's true. It's very fruity. Very fruity. And he is so adorable. Look at the little heart on his chest here. He even has a little bit of cloud hair. I love it. Super slow rising, super amazing. Let's check out the little charm we got with this. Looks like we got an Angel Kitty charm, perhaps? Or no, it's a Panda Cloud and Angel Kitty charm. They're making a little heart. That's so cute. And then of course you get the dust plug and an eye screw, so you can screw this into your squishy. There is an area, let's see if I can find it right there. You can stick it in there and have it as like a little keychain or something, which is super fun, but I choose not to, so we're just gonna leave that over there. Let's check out Angel Kitty next. I'm really excited. Okay, we have Angel Kitty. Look how cute she is. Okay, not the play favorites, but I think she is the cutest of the two. But I love them both equally. I love how she's holding a heart, how she has her wings, this little like crown up here she has with the hearts. Or I mean, not the hearts, the stars. She's just really, really cute. Let me smell her. Oh my gosh. She smells like something I've had a million times. Oh my gosh, what is it? Peach rings. She's peachy. She's peach. She's peach. She smells like peach. It's amazing. I love it. So cute and soft and squishy. They're amazing. Okay, let's see what charm we got with this. I think it's the same exact charm, actually. I'm gonna get it all done. I think so. I think it's the same exact charm. Yep. Cool. Okay. Let's go ahead and open the Yummiibear. So we have this Strawberry Mermaid one. I love the artwork. I love it so much. And then if we turn it around, there's the Yummiibear castle. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's open it up. I don't think this is anything. Oh wait, there's a charm behind it. Okay, okay. Whoops. There's a charm stuck to this bit back here. So let's see. Let me just set this off to the side. Let's get the charm out first, because we're feeling like being different today. So this is a like, oh, it reminds me of a waffle. It probably is a waffle with like icing and sprinkles on it. Shaped like a star and a wand, obviously. And it has the dust plug and the eye screw as well. Super cool. By the way, all these charms, they're made of this like very bendy, movable plastic. So we have this cutie. I love mermaids. They're so cute. And this is a little bear mermaid. It's so adorable. So we have a strawberry dollop or a strawberry on top here with some chocolate going all over the place. We have his little mermaid tail is a cone, which I think is so fun. Or like a waffle. I mean, a waffle cone. And he's so cute. Let's give him a squish. Very slow rising. I like the little hands. So super cute. Let's smell it. It smells like peaches. I thought it smelled like strawberries, but it smells like peaches. Okay, we have one last one. These aren't gonna be able to stand up. Ooh, look at that castle. This is the galaxy one. Take it out. Packaging stay. Gonna be in the background. Okay, we got the same kind of charm. It's just different colors. Neato. I love that. I love it. I love the colors. Okay. And then here is our galaxy one. It has the same everything from here down. It's just this bit on the top has changed. It's more, it's obviously galaxy colors, and it has the pearl finish to it. So there's purple, blue, like a darker purple. Like it just looks really good. It has like this little star sticking out of there. I love it. It looks so good. I'll give it a squish. Perfect. I love it. Let me smell it. Ooh, this is a flower. This is a very specific flower scent. I don't know what flower it is off the top of my head. Maybe like lilac? I'm not really sure. It smells like a very specific flower. I don't know my flower smells off the top of my head, but it smells so good. It's very, it could be, I don't know, rose? I don't know. It has to be like lilac, or I'm getting something purple, like lilac or lavender. I don't know. It doesn't quite touch lavender to me, but definitely smelled really good. So awesome. Let me know in the comments below whether you like the Panda Cloud / Angel Kitty better or the Yummiibear mermaids. I think I'm gonna have a hard time picking. I actually think I'm going to choose the Panda Cloud and the Kitty. I don't know. I like them all though. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because I post new videos every single day. Thank you again to the company for sending these. I will be linking their shop in the description box down below so you can grab yourself some of these, something else. It's going to be super awesome. Thank you guys again for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!